How do we install an ink cartridge? So to do so, you'll simply open this front cover, top cover, pull it back like that, and you'll hold the power button for about a second. And you'll see the card print platen shuttle itself out. It presents that card ink cartridge receptor really nicely.
This product is available at Aptika.com.
And now you can go ahead and you can open your ink cartridge container. It does have a sealed container to help ensure that ink stays fresh. And once you have that open, you can see there is a fill date printed onto the ink cartridge itself. And then we have a nice clip here that helps to protect the bottom side of the ink cartridge. So when we take that clip off, you can see on the bottom of the cartridge, you've got a piece of tape that helps to seal up that ink dispersion location. And under here, this is your printhead. So different than a traditional direct-to-card or retransfer printer that we offer today, this is your built-in printhead. This printer doesn't have a printhead installed by itself. So anytime if something were to happen and you damaged your printhead and you have some print quality challenges, simply replace the ink cartridge and you get that whole new printhead experience that you would previously have to have spent several $100s to get that replacement. So we're going to take that ink cartridge. We've got the print cartridge assembly presented here on the inside. Simply push it in, click it, and when you hear that audible click, you know that it's properly installed. You can go ahead and close that cover. The printer itself is fully ready. We're ready to start printing cards.
Thank you for watching the Aptika channel. Subscribe for more videos. Visit us online at Aptika.com.